Hazy sun and clouds with spotty rain and storms on Wednesday. Good Tuesday night, East Tennessee. David Aldrich, Captain Accurate here from the Captain Accurate Weather Command Center. Well, you can see from the ultimate Doppler radar a couple of showers south of Maryville just after the 8 o'clock hour. Well to the south and west of Gatlinburg and Pigeon Forge, but still sliding from what strange direction is this? It's going from east to west. Well, that's so strange. Well, we still have a coastal storm, a coastal low that's spinning counterclockwise. So it's pushing this rain from east to west. So we may be surprised to find a couple of showers slide just south of Maryville. By the way, East Tennessee's #1 tire shop and auto repair is Madlock Tire Service and Auto Repair. If you need a new set of tires, maybe you need your tires rotated, maybe you need an oil change, they've got 5 convenient locations to serve you. Tell them Captain Accurate sent you. By the way, the almanac today hit 83 degrees. That was my expectation today, the forecast from even yesterday afternoon. But 82, the normal high for this time of year, 94, the record high from 1941. Sun goes to bed now at 8:45, so long days are here. We hit 81 in La Follette, hit 79 in Newport, and 82 in Sevierville, Pigeon Forge, and Gatlinburg this afternoon, but only 78 in Crossville. You look around the state, you'll notice they hit 86 in Nashville, 80, a little cooler in Johnson City, but 85 south and west toward Chattanooga. Now this is strange. There's those clouds. They're going from east to west. That's so strange. I know, because we have a coastal system, and it's kind of spinning. Not the same type of one that hit the beaches over the weekend, but it is certainly still spinning the winds in this direction counterclockwise. So we've got some clouds that are in and out. Most of the rain from this vantage point seemingly sliding from Virginia over towards, say, Kentucky, and maybe some in North Carolina working their way to Tennessee. It's just the way the pattern is at this time. Headlines, we're looking for spotty rain and storms tomorrow, 20% chance. Spotty rain and storms Thursday, 20% chance. But it does turn hotter, maybe a touch more humid, but certainly hotter to end the week as we make a run toward 90 degrees. Now, the visibility, will it be perfect when you wake up tomorrow morning? Maybe not. In some cases, this might be overstated or perhaps misplaced, but it gives us a solution by 6 o'clock in the morning. If there's fog developing, it's already showed up at some of these doorsteps, like Clinton, Loudon, Maryville, Madisonville, and certainly where it's rained today, have a good chance of getting some fog in the morning. Wartburg could find some fog first thing tomorrow. This is about 7:30. It looks like it's trying to get out of here. 8 o'clock, certainly by 9:30, it's pretty much disappeared, and so fog not an issue, obviously, once we get to midday. But the humidity, as there may be some ebb and flow, the most stuffy weather, highlighted in green, shows up from Nashville to Louisville, Kentucky, down to Huntsville, and maybe to the west side of Knox County by midday tomorrow. Most of it stays west for your Wednesday. It kind of retreats on Thursday, but tries to come back in some spots. And then you see how dry it is. Thanks in part to a northeast flow of air, we keep it nice and low humidity, probably till Friday or Saturday. That's when we start to see some of this come back. So it's not oppressive just yet, but summer is certainly making its tease as it comes into town. Storm Prediction Center looking at the scattered in yellow and the isolated in dark green. That's places like the Panhandle of Oklahoma, northern Panhandle of Texas, and parts of western Kansas, and certainly east of Denver could have some strong to severe storms tomorrow in the scattered variety. For us, it's just run-of-the-mill thunderstorms, nothing severe here. Same thing with Thursday, non-severe storms here, but Lubbock and Amarillo, for example, and Midland may find some isolated stronger storms, severe storms there. But again, the light green suggests that we have a possibility for some thunder in East Tennessee. Now, taking you through the futurecast, things quiet down once we get closer to 11 o'clock tonight. Tomorrow it starts dry, and in most cases, it probably stays dry. This might be overstated at 12 noon. There's not a whole lot here at 5 o'clock, maybe the foothills and Smokies in spots. But then by 11 o'clock tomorrow night, it slows down once again, like a ceiling fan when you turn the light switch off, and it slows down. Comes back, though, with the heating of the day. Midday Thursday, I leave a 20% chance. Even Thursday's rains look like they're more pronounced between Louisville, Memphis, and Little Rock, further westbound if you're headed there. But Friday looks pretty good. All in all, most of it I think is between Raleigh and Charlotte. I don't see much in the way of rain on Friday. So here's your Valley Planner. I'm expecting a low around 61 degrees. We may nudge that out, certainly between the hours of 6 and 7 a.m., but we'll watch that closely. In the meantime, tonight look for some patches of fog late. Scattered clouds, we're down to 61 degrees. Looking tonight down to 58, however. If you're in La Follette, Oneida, and 57 for Crossville, Cumberland County. Wednesday's high, like today, should be around 83. Hazy sun and clouds and spotty rain and storms, just 20% chance. And winds will be light and variable on your Wednesday. In fact, temperatures about 80 Oneida, 79 Sevierville, 82 Morristown, about 83 for Oak Ridge and Kingston, about 82 for Madisonville and Tellico Plains. Looking ahead to the Captain Accurate Weather Authority forecast for Knoxville and East Tennessee. We got 83 tomorrow, 85 on Thursday. I see a warming trend, don't you? Yeah, 88 Friday. We're stair-stepping it up to 90. That's crazy town. I know, Saturday, very different from this past weekend. I got to grant you, it was only 60 on Sunday and 69 on Memorial Day. Memorial Day was the coldest, let's say, at 69. Coldest Memorial Day in 31 years. I went back and looked at the records, went back and had to cross-check which days were Memorial Day because they vary from year to year. But a very cold Memorial Day weekend relative to the averages. Now we're talking about temperatures that run back to 90 on Saturday and could be back to the upper 80s again on Tuesday of next week. By the way, keep track of it all using the Captain Accurate Weather app with Pete Michaels Traffic. You can get local traffic reports anytime, day or night. On the app, just tap the button on the phone. There's a little rectangle there. It's very easy to find. And it's free. Just search the two words Captain Accurate at the App Store and Google Play. Plus, you get all the weather alerts from the National Weather Service, plus lightning alerts, plus 3 exclusives from Barron that you wouldn't get anywhere else, like a twisting storm approaching alert, dangerous storm approaching alert that usually come out before the other kind that come out. So you get some extra warning in addition to storms in your area. So I could go on. But anyway, my name is David Aldridge. Some people call me Captain Accurate. It's not easy being accurate, so weather doesn't surprise you. We'll see you here next time. Take care.